Hi, everyone. Micah here, CEO and founder of True Fluency, online professional language tutoring. And today we are talking about why, if your student is in high school or taking Spanish or French or Mandarin in school on a weekly or daily basis, why it is super, super smart to also get a language tutor at the same time. A lot of parents think, but they're taking it in school. Why would I hire a tutor? It's not needed. Well, I will tell you, I took 5 semesters in high school of Spanish, and then I took the AP test, and then I studied abroad in Spain, and I couldn't really understand anyone. So let's talk about why this might be smart. One of the first things that comes to mind is whenever you are taking Spanish classes, let's just use Spanish, for example, Spanish classes in high school, you're mostly memorizing vocabulary words, you're taking tests, you're just trying to pass, and you are learning a lot of grammar rules. Grammar rules do not make you fluent. Rules make you learn grammar rules, just like learning math. Okay, it's just memorization of a rule. Now, if you were to take a Spanish class at school and then have 1 to 2 hours of a conversation class with a private tutor, now we are smoking. Now you can really get fluent in the language, and having all that vocabulary and grammar coupled with the speaking practice that a native teacher can give you. Wow, it's just going to double and triple what you're learning in that class. And that's just going to save you time and money later and help propel you later. So look at this, a foreign language or bilingualism on a college application. Holy moly, does that look good? So if you can say on your college application that you already have a basic fluency, which you can totally get if you take language in high school with an actual conversation partner tutor, you can get there. So to be able to say that on your college applications is amazing, to show them that you had the foresight and the forethought to take actual private lessons while you were taking the grammar classes. It looks really good. Not only that, but you're going to save time and money in college. So let's say in college, you just want to take the 2-semester minimum. If you take a private tutor during your high school years, you will likely get a better score on your AP test in high school, which means you might not even have to take a language in college. And you can maybe get a minor in something, or you could even double major because you have all of that extra time to spend on other classes because you got such a high level in high school. Another reason is to have a better time studying abroad. I know that when I studied abroad in Spain, I felt like I was just starting to be able to speak when the semester was over. So if I had had a conversation partner in a private language tutor beforehand, I think I could have taken a lot more advantage of my time there. I would have felt more confident and more comfortable more quickly rather than finally feeling a little bit confident right as the semester was ending and I was leaving. So also, of course, your high school student, by getting to know someone and having 1 to 2 hours of conversation classes a week throughout high school, they're going to have a great appreciation for another culture. They're going to have a deep relationship with someone who came from a different country. And again, not just a shallow, yes, I know someone from another country, but a really deep relationship, understanding their culture, understanding their background, where they come from, which will give them a deeper respect for just other people in general that are not like them. So these are some of the top reasons to couple your language classes in high school or junior high with a private tutor. you can get your student to a basic fluency level in high school, and they can really learn the language and not just memorize some grammar rules.